Good morning, children. We shall be doing the first lesson of your English book, Rain Tree. The name of the lesson is Monkey Trouble, written by Ruskin Bond. The writer is a little boy whose grandfather felt sad for a little monkey and he bought her from a street entertainer for 10 rupees. He brought her home when grandmother was against keeping a monkey as pet because grandfather already had a goat, several white mice, and a small tortoise as pet. But the little boy wanted to have the monkey as his pet, and they both convinced grandmother that a little girl monkey was less mischievous. But this was going to be proved wrong. The little monkey had bright eyes with lot of mischief and had a white grin which showed her pearly white teeth and terrified Aunt Ruby. First thing Toto was taught was to shake hands when who visited the house. Major Malik would have to shake his hand with Toto, otherwise Toto would climb on his shoulder and stay there playing with his hair and mustache. Aunt Ruby was not informed of Toto's arrival, and when she entered her room, she could see a white bundle with no face jumping up and down on the bed. It was Toto trying on Aunt Ruby's petticoats. After seeing this, she screamed out, and everyone had to run to her room to find out what had happened. Then came Uncle Benji's complaint that his hairbrush was missing, and we found that Toto was sunning herself on the back veranda using the hairbrush to scratch her armpits. The writer took it from Toto and gave it back to Uncle Benji, and he also said sorry, but Uncle threw away the brush. One day, grandfather had to visit Meerut to collect his railway pension, and he decided to take Toto and the writer along. Toto was carried in a big black traveling bag and had enough place for her to feed bananas and biscuits. But she could not get her hands through the opening or bite open the bag. After reaching Meerut, grandfather was showing their tickets to the turnstile when Toto suddenly poked her head out of the bag and grinned widely at the ticket collector. The ticket collector was shocked and he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you and you will have to buy a ticket for it." Grandfather angrily told that it was not a dog but it was a baby monkey and there was no charge for babies. There was an argument between grandfather and the ticket collector, but finally grandfather had to pay 5 rupees as her fare. Then grandfather just took out a small tortoise from his pocket, which he sometimes carried about, and asked, "What must I pay for this?" The ticket collector looked and pushed it away and said to grandfather that no charge for this as it is not a dog. Hope you must have enjoyed the lesson. I will tell you more interesting story next time. Bye.